Empower your welding capabilities with versatility and efficiency. In this video, we unveil the top 5 best multi-process welders, essential for welders and fabricators. Whether you're ARAP welding, TIG welding, or stick welding, these multi-process welders offer the flexibility to tackle diverse projects. Explore the ideal multi-process welder to enhance your welding skills, with convenient links in the description box for quick access to our top recommendations. Now let's begin. Weld Pro Multi-Process Welder. The Weld Pro 200-amp multi-process welder stands out with its versatility and a remarkable 3-year warranty. Beyond traditional MIG and flux core welding, this flagship model offers true lift, TIG welding, and stick welding. This welder is intuitively designed, providing a compact unit for MIG, stick, or TIG welding. It caters to various welding needs with amperage ranges suitable for different materials. The dual digital display ensures precise amperage and wire speed adjustments for consistent welds. Safety features like VRD high temp and overload protection add to its appeal, making it a reliable choice for welding enthusiasts. YesWelder Multi-Process Welder. The YesWelder Multi-Process Welder is a powerhouse with 200 of capacity, offering dual voltage flexibility. Using IGBT inverter technology, it ensures stable performance and quality welds. This 4-in-1 welder supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, providing versatility for various projects. The synergic control feature automatically adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed based on amperage and thickness. Notably, it accommodates aluminum MIG welding with a spool gun. Safety is a priority, with automatic protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. ARAP Multi-Process Welder. The ARAP Multi-Process Welder is a robust 6-in-1 welding machine, offering gas/solid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun capabilities. This versatile welder accommodates various welding wire diameters and thicknesses, providing adaptability for different projects. The synergic MIG feature allows for easy adjustment of welding parameters, catering to both beginners and professionals. Special functions like adaptive crater, burn-back adjustment, and pre-flow/post-flow enhance welding efficiency. The large LED display ensures accurate data visibility, and the portable design makes it suitable for outdoor maintenance and DIY projects. FORY Multi-Process Welder. The FORY Multi-Process Welder is a compact and efficient multi-process welder that seamlessly transitions between stick, MIG, and DC TIG welding. TIG accessories not included, with easy start functionality and infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls. It offers user-friendly operation. The rugged all-metal case ensures durability, and the welder comes complete with essential components. With a versatile plate thickness range and the ability to use gas or gasless wire, it's suitable for various applications. The 3-in-1 capability, ease of use, and rugged build make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced welders. Aduno Multi-Process Welder. The Aduno 135-amp multi-process welder is a 3-in-1 multi-process welding machine designed for versatility and ease of use. Its synergic control feature automatically adjusts welding parameters, streamlining the process for new welders. Supporting MMA, lift TIG, and flux MIG, it covers a range of welding needs. The welder can handle up to 0.30 and 0.35 flux core wire, and is powerful enough for welding mild plates up to 3.0 millimeters. Safety features like overload and overheating protection ensure secure operation. This welder is a reliable and efficient tool for welders working on various projects and materials. Forge your welding path with precision and power. Find your perfect multi-process welder and let the sparks of craftsmanship continue to ignite your creativity.